Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, but the breakfast is looking really good. Let me just give you a quick view of it. So yeah, that's the breakfast, and obviously this little Kinder refrigerated thing, that's really nice to have as well. As usual, I'm gonna have my breakfast right now, watch some YouTube videos, just relax for some time, and then hopefully that's when the actual day, all of the lectures and everything's gonna start off. After breakfast, I spent some time writing one of my essays on seeking job opportunities relating to my career. This is actually one of my graded assignments for one of my modules on essential skills for biomedical scientists, and it is actually worth 12.5% of my module, so I had to take it seriously and crack on with the work. I brainstormed some ideas while also making notes, and then writing this and submitting this Word document while also sending it to my university advisor. After this, I take a small little break and then get back to studying. My first actual revision session this morning consists of human anatomy, in which I learned more about the circulatory system, but to be honest, I already learned most of this lecture back in biology A-level, but this lecture does go more in depth. We'll also learn more about cardiovascular pathology, which is basically diseases related to the heart, such as hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. Also, fun fact is that I was able to witness multiple live heart surgeries during my work experience at St. Bartholomew's Hospital, where I witnessed open heart surgeries such as the mitral valve replacement as well as thoracic surgeries. I talk more about this in one of my first YouTube videos on this channel, so feel free to check that out. Links will be down there in the description below. Okay, so this is a delivery that I got myself. If you're wondering what it is, it's a chair. So my previous chair, the big black one that I've had that you guys probably saw from the previous videos, I was like running past and then I kind of jumped on the chair, and then what happened is that the handle kind of broke, and yeah, so I just ordered myself a new one. It looks quite nice from the pictures at least, so I'm just gonna open this delivery up, and after I open it up, I'm just going to set it up, mount it so that it looks like an actual chair, and then I should be going outside for some time. Okay, so testing out the chair, it's actually quite nice and comfortable. It's a little bit smaller than I previously thought, but it's nice and comfortable. It's very good for me to do all of my study work and everything that I need to do. But yeah, I'm basically finished with everything that I have to do for this morning session, and right now I'm gonna have my lunch right here. I've got some salad on the side. I've got some rice, which in Bengali we call it pulao. I think it's called rice, like it's a slightly different type of rice. And then I've got a big nice juicy piece of chicken right here, and as usual I've got this Kinder, and obviously I've got some water right here. So yeah, just gonna watch some YouTube videos as usual. I'm gonna try and take like an hour break, and then after this I should be going on campus. I've got some stuff to do on campus today, and that's about it for today. I'll see you when I'm heading to the campus. Okay, so I'm currently on campus right here with my bro Cringista right there at the back. We've got an entire Q&A playlist as usual. Check that out. Links will be down there in the description below. But if you're wondering why am I meeting with someone else here, is that don't worry, we're not really breaking any lockdown rules. First of all, because universities, schools and all of this stuff are actually open here in the UK even during the lockdown. And right now we're basically on campus and we've got like some kind of project that we're working on. We're going to be doing some more videos, so make sure you guys check them out. So as usual, we're just going to be chilling for some time, plan out on some YouTube ideas, and again, we had to book the study spaces, so we're actually allowed to be here on campus, get a few shots for some of my Instagram pages. Again, plug in, make sure you check them out, and that's basically all we're going to be doing for the next couple of hours. And again, we're going to be praying. So if it's prayer time right now and you guys haven't prayed, then what do they need to do? Tell them, bro.
They need to pray.
All right, you just gotta pray, guys, so make sure you always pray on time, and that's about it. As usual, while on campus, I go around places such as empty lecture theatres and empty classrooms to avoid crowded places as much as possible in order for us all to stay safe. I mostly go on campus now for labs, tutor group meetings, and literally just to find some nice places for some thumbnails, as well as a few YouTube videos, while meeting up with my friend to discuss some video ideas and just catching up and making sure that our brotherhood is still intact. Also, if you guys are currently attending Queen Mary University, then feel free to check my Queen Mary students page out on Instagram, in which I upload videos and pictures taken mostly at Queen Mary, as well as helping people who have any questions about the university to the best of my ability. And while you're doing that, feel free to check out my socials as well. Links will be down there in the description below. Once I finish relaxing for some time, I head out to go and pray somewhere nice and empty, and after that I go back to the university campus. Once back on campus, I tried to work on one of my projects while also speaking to some university friends. Since nowadays it is autumn and soon to be winter time in the UK, it starts to get dark very quickly around 4 p.m. On campus, I try to spend some time organizing my files on my laptop to make sure I'm up to date with my course and any exam/coursework deadlines. I also email my university lecturers if I have any questions, as well as planning ahead on how to revise for my next exams, while also trying to balance YouTube videos at least once a week, working 7 days a week as an A-level and GCSE tutor, and working out 3 to 4 times a week at home since the gyms are now closed due to the lockdown. And once I finish all of this, it is just about to be 5 p.m. and I still have an A-level tutoring session this evening and a revision session to do before the end of the day. However, I thought I should just end the video early for today's session. Okay, so that should be like a wrap up for today's day, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Obviously the day isn't finished yet. It's currently like 4 o'clock. It's getting already dark here because it's winter. So what I've got to do today is I've got my normal tuition session. I'm going to be tutoring some A-level students for biology and chemistry, and then after that I've also got some more stuff to do, some more revision bit to do for my last couple of, try to do like an hour revision before ending the video off. But yeah, this should be the end of the day. Make sure, what are you doing? Make sure you subscribe to me and to the Cringista right there. I just thought it would be good if I ended the video off today, even though I do have a session later on. There guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought about it.
Subscribe to this waffler.
Yeah, subscribe to the channel and peace out.